Hi guys, hope everyone's having a good weekend. It is Sunday, June something, I don't know. Anyways, I'm here to talk about my Magic Keyboard I got 2 weeks ago. I've had it for about 2 weeks right now, and it's come in really good handy. Pretty much it's been in decent shape. It's the white one, come in white or black. So actually this thing weighs about 1.3 pounds. I had to look it up, obviously. This thing is heavy compared to the Air, which weighs like probably way less than a pound. This puts on some bulk to your iPad Air. These come in the 11-inch for the 11-inch iPad Pro or the iPad Air from last year. This also fits the iPad Pro from this year, the 11-inch, plus last year's 11-inch iPad Pro. It does come in the 12.9-inch version for your iPad Pro from this year with the M1 chip, or last year too. It comes in black and white, but I went with white because my iPad Air is the rose gold color. I mean, obviously you can do whatever color you want. It doesn't matter. It's all up to you and in the end. My 11-inch Magic Keyboard cost about $2.99 for this one. The 12.9-inch one is $3.49, but whatever floats your boat. I'm sure there are much cheaper alternatives out there. I know Logitech makes one for the iPad Pros. I haven't checked that one out, but I've heard good things about it. Maybe down the road, when I eventually get an M1 iPad Pro, I may just look into the Logitech keyboards just for my wallet's sake, because these things are expensive. So, I know with my current iPad Pro from like a zillion years ago, I actually got the Smart Keyboard Folio. The only difference between that one and this one, we don't have this, which is amazing. I love the trackpad. I mean, I don't use it as much, but I probably should, because this thing is amazing. Every time I'm on my other iPad, I'm looking for it. I think I'm just spoiling myself because I've got my MacBook Pro from last year with the trackpad. Obviously, I had to get a mouse for that too, but I like the trackpad. I mean, it's all up to you guys. If you want one, then more to you, but I love the trackpad, so it's hit or miss. You want it, then go get it. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but more power to you. So anyways, that's my little spiel. Also, one more thing. This is white. It hasn't really gotten dirty. I did bring it outside earlier today just so I can watch the E3 events on YouTube. We'll get into it much later. I have some scuff marks on it already, but that could probably just be taken off with a cloth. So, I mean, it's not really noticeable, but if you're someone that likes to carry around like white things a lot, then bring a cloth, even if it's for your eyeglass cloth, because those things can take off anything. So anyways, hope everyone will have a good week. Bye.